Hey guys, Sandra here, and today I want to talk about an opportunity that I found out about that I thought some people would be interested in, and these days a lot of people want to try to make money at home. They're quitting their jobs and getting tired of their jobs. They don't want to be at the jobs anymore, and they want to do things, to be able to be financially sufficient on their own. So I found this website. It's called skillshopwithgoogle.com, and what it is that it's with Google, and they are giving free online training on different courses. And some of the training, these are different trainings that they're giving here, but the one that I wanted to speak on was the Google Ads training. Okay, because this will grow your skills using Google Ads to advertise your business. And you can use this skill to advertise for other people's businesses, right? And so the course it's a Google Ads certificate. You actually get you actually get Google Ads certified, okay? And the course includes I think it includes all of these. Let's see. Where is it? Yes, here it is. These are the courses that you would be taking: Google Ads display certification, Google Ads search certification, measurement, videos, shopping, and Google Ads app certification. So they don't take long to do, as you can see. This is over a little over 2 hours, over 3 hours, over 4 hours, 4 hours, 3 hours, And as you can see, learn the skills, apply your skills, and get certified. So as you can see here by this one dot, it's for beginners. So anybody can do this this course and make money from it. Now, before I finish, if you're enjoying with this video and you like what you hear, please give it a like. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and ring that bell so that you will be notified of any new videos that I upload. And on this channel, I will be talking about ways to make money, ideals, tips, and money making opportunities. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified for the next video. So now here, let's see now exactly after you get certified, how much money could you make? Now we're on here Fiverr, right? Fiverr.com, and I clicked I typed in Google Ads, and okay, and then I can just do it in front of you. Google Ads, okay, and you'll be able to see for yourself what people are charging. So I will set up and manage Google Ads, AdWords, okay, starting at $200. All right, this one is starting at $200, and she's already done 315 people, helped 315 people. So that's okay, 315 times 200. So she's already made 63,000. All right, here's another one, $30 an hour. He's done 907 of them. This one is starting at $690, and she did 138 of them. Okay, so let's see, 138 times 690. She's already made over 95,000. 95,000. That's a lot of money. Okay, so as you can see, there's money to be made with this certification. And what I forgot to mention about the certificate, you'd only need to have a score of 80 to pass, at least 80. And if you do not pass, you can take the test over and over again until you do pass. And, but you have to wait at least 24 hours after the first test. Okay, so let's go to Upwork and see what they have. We can see Joshua, he charges $200 an hour. He's already made 400,000 doing this Google ad. Okay, and then let's go over to people per hour. As you can see, people are charging different prices. I guess it depends on what level they're on, but this one has charged $300, and he's done 584 people. 584 times, he's helped 584 people. 300, he's made over 175,000. And then we have this one, he charges $115. He's already had 240 customers. So as you can see, it's money to be made. She's charging $360. Oh, and she's already had 848 customers. So $360. She's made over 300,000. So 305,000. So I mean, as you can see, there's money to be made. If you're interested in doing something like this, I'll leave all the links below and you can go check it out for yourself. But if you're not interested in that and you want to know the #1 way that I make money at home, click the first link that I recommend. Click the first link in the bio. In the description, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching, and remember, you must hustle.